Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be looking at a topic that is well known but I still wanted to cover it. Nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Types of words. We are looking at types of words. Buy. Learn to speak English with us. Now let's get into it. First, what do these mean and what are they? First, nouns. Nouns. A word other than a pronoun, I, he, she. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. Instead of saying Ali is good, you say I is good. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Say Muhammad is a good person. You say I is a good person. Well, actually, when you're saying it by yourself, you'd say I am a good person, because is for other people. But you basically get what a pronoun is. It's just a word that replaces a noun. What are nouns? Well, a noun is a word that is used to identify any of a class of people, places, or things. So I, a pronoun, because it replaces a noun. A noun, let's say Muhammad or Jack. A common noun is just a normal noun. It's not specific. It's just like I went to a bank. Bank is the common noun. Or school. I go to school. Or to name a particular one of these, so it's specific, these are called proper nouns. For example, Jack, Toyota. For some examples, pronoun I, he, she, myself. Common nouns, bank, school, car. Proper nouns, Jack, Melbourne University, and Toyota. Now, let's look at verbs. Verbs are words used to describe an action, state, or occurrence, and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence. Examples: hear, see, becoming, ran, run, ate. So, while that may sound like a weird explanation, a verb is a doing word. It's what you're doing. It's what state you're living in. And it's what state you're doing, not what state you're living in. I'm not talking about actual states. I'm talking about like what you're doing states, like idle, moving, playing. I'm not talking about states like Idaho and Los Angeles. That's not what I'm talking about. Just whatever. Anyway, so moving on. And these can also be past, present, and future. Like eat and ate, or run or ran, as I say here and here. These are just what you're doing at this time. It doesn't matter. Now on to adjectives. Adjectives are words naming an attribute of a noun. The red roses. Red is the adjective, as it's saying that the roses are red. The sweet candy. The candy is sweet. The sweet is the adjective. Now, moving on. Adverbs. Adverbs are words or phrases that modify or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb or a word group expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. This may sound weird to you at first, but just know that adverbs are just adding onto a verb. like how adjectives add to a noun. Forgot to mention that. But adjectives add adjectives. So they add the adjectives to the noun. These add the verbs. So, for examples, touched softly, snuck quietly, said sadly, and ran quickly. They are adding detail to the verb, just like how adjectives add attributes to nouns. Now just for a spelling exercise. I want you guys to find the nouns and put a red under them. Verbs green, adjectives blue, and adverbs yellow. I saw a yellow giraffe running quickly. My friend played loudly with his red soccer ball. My cousin's black cat scratched me aggressively. Remember to put every single one adverb, not just the main subject, but even the supporting nouns. Because this is an exercise to find the nouns, not the subjects. There is a difference. A subject is what the sentence is about. Like, I ate a meal today. I or you, because I is a pronoun. So myself, because myself and I mean the same thing. That I is the subject of the sentence, as the sentence is talking about him. Meal, which is also a noun, is just a noun. It's not talking about the meal. It's not the meal was delicious. So I want you guys to remember to highlight every single noun, not just the subjects. Anyway, I hope that explanation. Now let's wait a bit. Tick tock, round the clock. Tick tock, round the clock. The hands go tick tock, round the clock. The hands go tick tock. Now for some answers. Pause if you need any more time, because spoiler warning. So, nouns are red. Let's go over that first. I, giraffe, my, friend, soccer, ball, my, cousin's, cat. Now for the verbs. Firstly, the nouns are all red because I, my, proper pronouns, which it means they replace names. Giraffe, soccer ball, and cat are all just common nouns. And I forgot about friend. Friend is also a proper noun. Friend is a pronoun. Now for verbs. Saw, running, played, scratched. These are things me or my friend or my cousins did. I saw the giraffe. The giraffe ran. My friend played. And my cousin's black cat scratched. So they're all the things they did. So these are yellow. The adjectives blue. Yellow, red, and black. Because these are these are all attributes for the noun. As you see, they always come on before the noun. See giraffe, and yellow, before. Red and soccer ball, before. Black and cat, before. So that's like one way to know if it's an adjective, but it's not always an adjective. But if it's something that is an attribute and it comes before a noun, it's probably a adjective. So yellow, red, and black are all attributes that are adding to the nouns. So they are all blue. And adverbs, which are yellow, quickly, loudly, and aggressively. These are explaining how the actions were done. He ran quickly. He played loudly. Scratched aggressively. Also, me, I forgot to highlight it. It's a noun. You're not wrong if me is highlighted red. I just forgot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I thank all of you for letting us reach 1,000 subscribers. I know I'm a bit late, but it's just an amazing milestone. As you know what they say, the first 1,000 are the hardest to get. So I thank every single one of you for watching and supporting the channel. And as always, I wish you a good and safe day. Goodbye.